Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the TOPUMP Mini Bike Tire Pump with Gauge, a compact yet powerful tool for every cyclist. This portable electric pump boasts a digital pressure gauge and an auto-stop function, ensuring you never overinflate your tires, and with a maximum pressure of 120 psi, it's perfect for all your biking needs. Weighing just 0.29 pounds and measuring a mere 2.09 by 1.26 by 3.03 inches, it's incredibly easy to carry, making it a must-have for on-the-go cyclists. With rapid inflation capabilities, it can reach 80 psi in just about 50 seconds, allowing you to quickly get back on the road during emergencies. The durable design features a Type-C USB rechargeable battery that fully charges in just 30 minutes, providing enough power to inflate at least three 700*25C tires from 0 to 120 psi. It supports both Presta and Schrader valves, offering two inflation methods to make the process seamless and efficient, while the included air hose and Presta valve converter save time and effort. Rest assured, the TOPUMP Mini Bicycle Pump has undergone rigorous testing and comes with CE, FCC, and UKCA approvals, plus 24/7 customer support and a 1-year insurance policy for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.